Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Trello app not working on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening website or another app to confirm the connection works. Weak internet is the common cause of loading errors. Step 2. Close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Trello and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the app from the home screen. Step 3. Update the Trello app. Go to the App Store, then search for Trello. If you see update, tap it and wait for the update to finish. Bugs are often fixed in newer version. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume button. Then slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on after 10 seconds. Step 5. Log out and log back in. If the app opens, go to settings inside Trello. Next tap log out, close the app, then reopen it and sign back in. Step 6. Final check. Open Trello and confirm boards load correctly. Your app should now be working normally. And that's how you can fix the Trello app not working on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.